At Reliable Roofing, there are two things that we are passionate about: serving our customers and providing cost-effective roofing solutions. We've installed over 200 million square feet of apartment roofing, and we are licensed in 35 states. You know, good data drives good decisions, and to help you, we've collected roofing information on over 5,000 apartment communities. We also use cutting-edge technologies to provide accurate reporting of your roofing condition. This helps determine present and future roofing needs on all your projects. For over 30 years, we've earned the trust of the multifamily housing market, and we look forward to serving you in the near future.